Great.
Okay, good evening. I've been down here before and, you know, just a beautiful place, but I would never have thought of coming here to have a knee fixed. But with complications in Canada, not having any doctors and just can't get work done and waiting lists are so long, I was told about your CMQ hospital and the work that Dr. Max does. Well, we just got hold of him, and from being 2 or 3 years, it was a matter of months. And here I came down and met some great people and had every test that took months and months for me to get at home. Had it done in a period of 2.5 to 3 hours. The day before the surgery, everything got checked out. He had me at seeing a heart doctor, everything. It was just a great experience. And I was in and out of there in 3 days. And the first thing I noticed that I could walk. And I've got a walker that I'm walking around with, but I'm getting patient care every day, looking after the knee, and it feels better than it's ever felt. So yeah, I'll come back again just to come down and see the people. It's a great experience. It really is. It's the reception was just mind-boggling. Right down to the point that they had my wife right in the room, you know, letting her see my pre-surgery and all the work that he was doing. So Dr. Max was great. He just kept going and going and going, and his staff, they're just over and above. They seem to care. And I guess you miss a bit of that when you wait 3 weeks to get an x-ray at home, or you take 2 months to go see a doctor, or 3 years to get a knee done, and then as the famous words of my doctor, there's worse than you. So this was great. It's a pleasure, just a real pleasure, and I would recommend it for anybody.